English is full of words that sound like long-lost twins but don't always behave the same way. Today, let's play with a few of them, and I promise by the end you'll never confuse them again. Number 1, we have lead and led. Lead means to guide. She will lead the choir, but led is the past tense. Yesterday, she led them beautifully. See, one leads today, the other led yesterday. Number 2, we have desert versus dessert. One is hot, sunny, and dry. The other is sweet, creamy, and gone before you blink. So never get stuck in a desert wishing for dessert. Number 3, we have affect versus effect. Now, affect is usually a verb. The speech will affect you. Effect, on the other hand, is a noun. The effect will last for years. So affect does the action, effect is the result. Number 4, we have compliment versus compliment. One gives you kind words. Your accent is beautiful. That's a compliment. The other completes something. Tea complements biscuits. So compliment makes you smile. Compliment makes things whole. Now here's a flashy one, ubiquitous. It means everywhere at once. For example, smartphones are ubiquitous, even in places where the Wi-Fi isn't. It's the kind of word that makes you sound clever without trying too hard. So next time someone mixes up dessert with their desert, don't just correct them. Casually drop ubiquitous into the conversation and watch them nod while secretly Googling you. Language is fun, elegant, and occasionally delicious. Stick around because we've only just begun.